Welcome everyone, and thank you very much for tuning into this video. Guys, there is a new company that is going public on the stock market, which is actually it's a very solid company. It's an extremely solid company. It's a very good company, profitable. It's a company that I've actually had read about 2 years ago, and I remember saying, gee, I wish they go public. I would really like to invest in this. So I'm super excited, and I'm happy to tell you that they are going public on June 6, 2024. And in this video, I'm going to tell you everything about them, financials and all that stuff. And then obviously you can make your own mind and your own, make up your own mind, make your own decision on whether you think it's a good investment. You'll let me know in the comment section below. By the way, I just got my book again. I say again because I had this book. It's one Up on Wall Street. I think it's an old book. I think most of you may have read about it, but I lost that book, right? So I ordered it again, even though I have already read it, and I'm gonna read it again. I don't know. Every summer I like this book. Let me know in the comment section below, you guys, if you like this book. If you don't have this book, it's by Peter Lynch, one of the greatest investors there is out there. I think that people should get it, and I'm not promoting it. I don't have, I'm not gonna make any gains out of it. If you buy it, I'm not gonna leave any links in the description, but I think it's a good book. All right, guys. So before we get to this IPO, Quality Growth is a channel on my Discord and on Patreon. In the Quality Growth, obviously, I never speak about penny stocks. You're not gonna see any of that stuff in that type of channel, right? If you wanted to be a member of Quality Growth, you're going to get Quality Growth stocks, according to my opinion. So here's some examples. For example, I had told them about NFG at $50.95, and then that was on 3/11/2024. Sold it at $54.77 on 4/25/2024. Always when I say I buy or sell, it's always pre-announced ahead of time so people know. The stock is actually at 55, and yes, I did sell it too early, but that was just, you don't have to sell with me. You can keep the stock if you want. Great stock. What I did was move those funds over to GSHD the day I had sold NFG, guys, at 53, and then I sold GSHD later at 63, $10 per share per gain, right? So if you want to join us on Patreon, the link will be in the comments section below. All right, guys, so the IPO is Novelis Incorporation. One of the, I like this. I really like it. And if they please, I hope they keep that $18 to $21 price range that you see here. If it goes public at 18, I'm gonna be so happy. But most likely, with good companies, what usually happens is they'll say a price range, and then when they do go public on that day, they open up for us retail investors in regular hours at a price much higher. And I'm afraid that's what's going to happen, but I hope it does not happen. All right, so 18 to 21, 45 million shares they're going to offer. Novelis Incorporation, ticker symbol NVL, going public on June 6, 2024. So Novelis Incorporation, guys, has filed for a over $100 million IPO. It produces aluminum-based packaging products and recycling services for industries such as beverage, automotive, and even the aerospace industry. So it's a company based in Atlanta, Georgia. Management is headed by President and Chief Executive Officer Mr. Stephen Fisher, who has been with the company since 2006. He previously was Vice President of TXU Energy. The company currently operates 32 facilities, including 14 recycling centers and 11 innovation centers in North America, Asia, Europe, and South America, with over 13,000 employees, and they have received $1.1 billion from investors, including AV Minerals. Looking at the revenue, guys, the total revenue of the company in 2023 was $18.4 billion. Then it goes to $16.2 billion, negative 12% for 2024. But they do have positive earnings, so that's a good thing. Gross profit loss goes from $2.4 million to $2.5 billion, and the gross margin goes from 13.4% to 15.4%. So looking at the net income, guys, you can see it's always positive, right? 954, 658, 600 million. If we look at the free cash flow, they had a negative 43 for 2023, but positive the previous years. The company has $1.3 billion in cash. Their total liabilities are $10.8 billion. Looking at some of the customers that this company has, beverage packaging, they have Coca-Cola among others, Crown, and many other big companies. In the automotive industry, they have customers are Audi, BMW, Toyota, Ford, NIO, Rivian, General Motors, Hyundai, Stellantis, Volvo. In the aerospace industry, Airbus, Boeing, Bombardier, Embraer. And for specialties, you have Samsung and so on. Valuation score for me is a 4 out of 5. I like this company. It's a solid company. You know, proven years, great customers. But I would like it to open at 18 bucks, like they say, right? As the IPO price range, that would be awesome. If they open up, and I'm just making up a number now, just imagine, let's pretend that they open at 25, 26, 30 bucks a share. No, I'm not going to buy, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. I wish you all the best. Let me know in the comment section below if you think this IPO is worth investing in, and I wish you all the best. Take care.